Welcome to the construction site, a lively place where big machines work hard all day. As the sun sets, it's time for the construction vehicles to rest. Would you like to join us and help put them to bed? Hello, cement mixer. You've been spinning and churning concrete, creating strong foundations. Now, as the stars twinkle overhead, it's your time to relax. Can you find a quiet corner to settle down, cement mixer? Close your eyes and let the gentle hum of the night lull you to sleep. Good night, cement mixer. Greetings, crane. Your mighty arms have lifted heavy loads throughout the day. As the moon rises, it's time to lower your crane and rest. Find a spot where the night air can cradle you, crane. Your day's work is done, and now it's time to dream. Close your eyes, crane, and drift into a tranquil sleep. Good night. Hello, Bulldozer. Your powerful push has leveled the ground, making way for new adventures. As the construction site quiets down, it's your turn to find a soft mound of earth to rest on. Nestle in, Bulldozer, and let your dreams be as smooth as the paths you've created. Good night, Bulldozer. Greetings, dump truck. You've tirelessly transported materials to and fro. Now it's time to park under the night sky and unload your heavy load. Find a comfortable space, dump truck, and let the night breeze carry away the echoes of the day. Close your eyes, dump truck, and embrace the tranquility. Good night. Hello, Excavator. Your digging and scooping have shaped the landscape. As the construction site falls silent, it's your moment to find a quiet pit to rest in. Nestle into the earth, Excavator, and let the night cradle you. Close your eyes and dream of uncovering new possibilities tomorrow. Good night, Excavator. All the construction vehicles are now peacefully resting under the starry sky. As you close your eyes, imagine the quiet construction site and the vehicles dreaming of tomorrow's tasks. Wishing you the sweetest dreams, little one. Good night, construction world.